Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we're gonna learn the eye parts. Let's start it. Our first part of our eye is called the cornea. It's right over here, the white color. So let me explain what is cornea. A cornea is a transparent part of the eye which covers the iris, both iris the green color here, which is a muscle that helps pupil to open wide and extend and also to go. So pupil and iris, the cornea helps to cover both pupil and iris. It also allows the light to enter inside. So that's what cornea works. That's how cornea works. And the cornea is also a transparent part. So the definition and how it works. The next part of our eye is called the pupil and the iris, which I was telling before in the cornea. A pupil is a black circular opening in the center of the eye. Sorry, not the eye, the iris. Center of the iris. So that's why iris helps you to open it and extend. The colored part of the eye here, iris helps you to extend that, and the pupil extends and loosens. That's how it works. Basically, it works like windows through which the lights enter. It's exactly like that. Next, we're gonna explain what is the iris. So basically, iris is the colored part of your eye. So basically, as I said, iris helps to control your pupil, how much it extends and how much it shrinks. Using iris can open so the pupil comes out and like that. In simple words, what I say is iris is controlling your pupil by extending and shrinking. The color of your iris is like your fingerprint, but in this picture they are showing green. I don't know. So basically, it's actually your fingerprint color according to Google. And here's a twist. There are only some people only has that color. So the twist is that only some people, unique of people, only has that fingerprint color, because it's kind of like that. I know. So only some people have that colors, and nobody has that in the row. Only 2% or 2 to 3, something like that, only has that color. The fourth part of the eye is called the lens, which is like here, the circle part, which is the blue. It's basically like our natural glasses, very rare, that helps your vision to see clearly. It's also kind of like a cornea. It's like a transplant part of a pea. It's like a piece of a transplant part. Typically a glass or like a part plastic with covered surfaces that refract the lights. Either it's gonna causing you to converge or diverge, meaning they are just moving in the common point, or it's becoming different from your vision. Like for example, if you watch eyes, or if you watch TV for a long time, or if you don't take care of your eyes properly, it's gonna change differently. It's gonna diverge. But if you maintain it, it's gonna be in the common point. Your lens will be in the same vision. It will never change if you don't watch any TV from early. So like that. So that's what we call the. You can take notes as I say if you wanna, because these are the new words that we can use in the I part. So just saying that. Okay, now our fifth part of our eyes are called the vitreous humor. So that is the part that. Okay, so here we go. The vitreous humor is also known as the vitreous gel. Basically, it's like a gel-like substance, like it's jelly, like that gel. That gel will fill the space between your lens and the retina in your human eye. It takes 80% of your volume eye. So this is basically like a kind of like advanced for some people. Yeah, so you have to. Some people doesn't know about it. This white color part is the vitreous humor. So as you're watching this video, some people were like smaller, but thinking that vitreous humor is the name of just for fun, but it's actually is a part. You can also say this as a vitreous body. So that's how it's made up of, like that. Next, our main part of our eye, the retina, which helps you for the vision. That all the parts are useful and important, but retina is a little important than others because without them, your eyes might be damaged. You have to do operation. You have to do surgery because if your retinas are damaged, you have to do surgery. Now let's talk about what is retina. So basically, retina is a light sensitive layer of a tissue at the back of the eyeball. So you see this is the back of the eyeball and you see these nerves. These are called the retina. Don't get confused with the retina and the optic nerve. Some people might get confused between retina and optic nerve, but optic nerve is something which is connected to your eyes, to brain, to from your optic nerve. Optic nerve is basically connected to your brain, but however, retina is something which is just taking care of your eyes, so like that. Now, Riola, let's talk about the last part called the optic nerve. Finally, we're gonna finish it. But what about this? Like this one, we don't need to learn this just for the picture. Celery and celery muscles are really like little advanced. This video is only for kids a little bit, so I just for kids who's like third to fifth grade, like I mean 4 or 5, so like that. We don't have to read this, but at the future videos, I'm gonna put this in the next part again. Maybe I'll put a little advanced because kids doesn't have to learn this. This is kind of like a little. We don't have to add these terms, but if you wanna, you can just research on the Google and find it out. Now the last part of optic nerve. Let's find out what is it called. So what is it? So as I said, optic nerve is something, it's a nerve that is connected to your brain that sends some messages, signal messages to show what is it seeing like that. And it's also known as the second cranial nerve, and that is responsible for transmitting visual information. That's the meaning of I said. That's what they're saying. That means they're saying that it's connected to your brain and it's responsible for to show what visual is that, what image is this. It's going to show like that and it's going to send the signal to the brain and the brain will identify what is it. And this is how your eye works. So here are some tips, some good tips I can say how to take care of your eyes. Here are some quick 5 tips I can say. Number 1, you have to go to regular eye exams to check if you're getting higher powers or you're the same. Congrats if you're in the same visual image, if you're in the same and you're maintaining that from the below 1. That's really good. If you're age like about 13 and you're having like power up to like 4 now itself, that's a little dangerous to take care of your eyes, so that's really important. The next one is that protect your eyes from the sun. Do not see the direct sun of your eyes. That's really might be harmful to your eyes. That might like if you see a direct eye, it's not really good for your it's not good for your eyes. That might cause you damage in a potentially eye permanent vision. So meaning potential eye damage, your vision will be completely disappeared. You'll become blind. So I'm not just scaring you, I'm just telling you guys, if you're watching it every day in the sun direct eye rays, don't see it because sun has UV rays and it's harmful for your eyes. Okay, so I'm just saying, like, don't see the just stay at the side, just look at the side, don't see the direct sun rays. The next one is doctors recommend is eat a healthy diet. Healthy diet can improve your eyes. They say a lot. Like 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 fruits and vegetables, they're orange like carrots, papaya, other orange fruits like vitamin A has like eyes, good for eyes, and you're both for good for eyes and skin, and it's really important to eat more vitamin A to take care of your eyes. Doctors also say that your power might be improving, your vision might improve if you eat a lot of vitamin A's, and a lot of nutritious food can help your eye to improve well as well. Practice a good hygiene eye, good hygiene eye, sorry. Like what I say is that wash your hands regularly to not transfer that germs into your eyes. Germs can cause your vision to blurry. That's how doctors say. Next tip is like you have to maintain a digital footprint. Like, what is it? Like, you have to take care of, you have to put like a screen time. For example, my screen time every day is only 30 minutes, half an hour a day. And that's really important for others to keep that too. Because if you watch more than 1 hour, it's not really good for your eyes. Like, for example, if you're gonna watch a movie tonight, it's gonna take you 1 hour. Kids shouldn't watch that much long. That's why they say approximately you have to watch your age PG. If it's PG, only parents can watch it. You cannot watch it. PG means you have to watch with a family. You have to see your eyes carefully because kids' movies are only under 1 hour, and that's good at least. But some other movies only 2 hours long, so you can't see that. So I hope this helps you. This tips. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you guys.